Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error in Crimson Desert. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Download both versions, the x86 version and the x64 version. Even if your system is 64-bit, you still need both. After downloading, open the first installer. If you see a repair option, click on Repair. If not, just click Install and let it finish. Do the same for the second installer. Once both are completed, restart your computer. This step is important because it applies the changes properly. Now try to launch the game again. In most cases, the error should be fixed. If the problem is still there, the game files may be corrupted. In this case, turn off your antivirus real-time protection temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software blocks or removes important game files by mistake. After disabling it, uninstall Crimson Desert from your system. Then download and install the game again from the official source. Once the installation is complete, turn your antivirus back on and launch the game. This should fix the missing DLL error and allow the game to run normally. Thanks for watching.